Hello gorgeous, this is Melanie and I'm here today with Makeup by Melanie B and Melanie B's Unique Boutique, and we're going to do some pre-mixing. It is one of those things that I have not done a video on. I don't even really pre-mix very often, so I thought now is the time to try it because we have exhausted every single pretty much as individual color that I have thus far. I know there's a couple new ones coming in that I'm still getting, but in the meantime we're going to do some pre-mixing. Pre-mixing is going to give you a little bit different look than like layering. I know that you guys have seen the little rings that people wear to do their mixing or whatever, and that's fine, but what I have been doing, or the one time I actually put some in here, it lasted. So what I'm using are the Laycons that I actually sell in my store, and I'll put the link below so that you guys can go and get some of these if you want. Once you're done pre-mixing, you can snap this closed and it's airtight, and then you can take a Sharpie, like a fine point Sharpie with this kind of tip on it, and then just write what you mixed in your Laycon. All right, so that's what we're going to be using today. Now, I'm going to try a couple of colors that, one is brand new, the other one is an oldie that I never wear. So I thought maybe if I pre-mix them, I'll get something that I can kind of feel like is more wearable. So let's get these shaken up, and what they're going to be is Summer Fun and Purple Rain. And they look like they're kind of the same tone or tint. You know, this one looks kind of like a tint of this one. So I think these will look really nice together. We shall see. And just make sure I've got it shaken up really well. Now, the other thing you're going to need is, and I will put a link in the bottom for this as well, are the disposable lip wands like this. Now, I get mine from Amazon. I will send you to Amazon and you can get yours there if you would like. I think they come in a set of like 100, so, and they're very inexpensive. All right, so what we're going to start with is we're going to put some Purple Rain, and what I want to do is 2 parts of the Summer Fun and 1 part of the Purple Rain, because I want to kind of lighten this Purple Rain up and make it more wearable. We can always play with this concoction, with this little mixture, but in the meantime, we're going to try it this way. All right, now I'm taking a pretty decent amount. I'm not wiping off the wand, and I'm just going to wipe it into my Laycon. You can always get more if you would like. I'm going to go ahead and do 2, and then I'll do 4 swipes of the Summer Fun so that it's still 2 to 1 ratio. And you'll notice I'm just moving the Laycon around to a different spot. I don't want my wand to touch the Purple Rain. I just want to keep it separate for now. There's 2 of those swipes. And then I'm going to go over on this side and do 2 more swipes. Let me just see if I can get what's off the back. I do want to make sure that I have more of the Summer Fun than the Purple Rain, because this is my little recipe. Now, this is what it should look like. If I like this color, I can always mix up more in here by using the tube and just kind of pouring it in here and then mixing the colors. But right now I'm just going to do it this way. And if I have any of this left, by snapping this Laycon closed, I should be able to salvage what I have. Now you'll notice it's thick. I'm mixing it up. It's a really pretty, like an orchid color. I do not know what this is going to look like. You know me. There's no telling. Okay, so I have a little bit on my wand. I do not want this much to put on as my first layer, so wiping that off. I did have some balm on my lips because I exfoliated. That's why my lips look a little pinker than usual. My lips have been so severely dry. Summertime, I guess, you know. So then wipe this off. Normally, you guys, you would use the witch hazel and you would clean your lips and get the oils off your lips before you'd apply your LipSense. And since I'm not going anywhere, I'm not doing it right now, I just want to show you this color. All right, so let's get going. We're going to apply this just like we normally would our LipSense. We're going to go with super thin layers, and let's see what this color looks like. Okay, so there's layer 1. That's a really pretty color. Let me show it to you in here. So what you would want to do, if you wanted this to be more Purple Rain, you just add more Purple Rain. If you want it to be more Summer Fun, you do that. You can always add a third color, a fourth color. You guys mix it up. Like, you know how this stuff works. It is so versatile. And that is the beauty of it. Because I have some waterproof lipsticks that I use that I really love. But you don't get this versatility out of those. And they have staying power, but they're very limited on colors. So it's like, you know, if I can mix them, that's what's going to make me want to spend $25 on a color, is the versatility of it. All right, so let's go in with layer number 2. I still have some left. Now, I might end up having to put some more in here, but like I said, with thin layers, maybe not. We'll see. Very pretty. It's overpowering my eyes right now, which, you know, it's okay. I'm not going anywhere, like I said. That is this one. Okay, now I could stop there if I wanted. Just whatever until you get the results you would like. I'll go in with what's left in my Lakon. Now, guys, let me just say something. Even though there's nothing really left in here, I would still keep this. And you can clean this out. Just use some alcohol and clean it out. Or the Neutrogena with a Q-tip or whatever, just like you would normally do. You can always reuse it. But if you save it and you put the name on it, then you'll see what color it should look like for the combination. And you can always go back and mix more in there later, because it should stay fairly damp. If I wanted to just Q-tip this out right now, I should be able to do that without a problem. All right, so because this is like a hot fluorescent pink, yeah, it's pink, I'm going to use one of our new glosses in, now I obviously know this one's going to be probably more of what I'm getting here. This one, let's try this one first, and then we'll do the other one. This one is the new Pink Sand. Let's try this one. I'm just curious as to see how this would change this really bright pink. I think this would kind of warm it down some. Oh, it's beautiful. I don't know that you can see the detail in the phone like you can in person. It's very pretty here. Beautiful. Okay, let's go in now. I've taken off the Pink Sand gloss, and I'm going to go in with the Sweet Pea, and then we're going to do Prism, because why not, right? Prism kind of just changes everything up. Like, I don't know, it just has such neat reflective pieces in it. It just gives everything a different look. Now, Opal would be gorgeous with this as well. And I'm just thinking, I've moved into this new room and I don't know where everything is at this point. So I'm like, I'm not sure I can find Opal. But anyway, let's go in with the Sweet Pea. This is another new one. And that is really pretty too. That's a beautiful color. Oh, okay. We're gonna do the Prism gloss over this. I've got most of this Sweet Pea off. Okay. Y'all just wait. It's gonna get really pretty. That's like make you want to slap your mama pink right there. Okay. Beautiful. It's still deeper than the original Summer Fun. See, it's got a little bit more purple in it than the original one, but with the Prism, it takes it back to the lighter side. So like, you can see the Purple Rain in there, in my lips. You can see this color pulling from that, but together, see that? Really pretty. Okay, you guys, I hope this was educational, maybe, and you learned a little bit about pre-mixing. And if you guys are wanting those Lakons, just go hit me up on my website and let me know about these other colors, because you know what? They're fabulous. So you're going to have them. Sorry. All right. I will see you guys back soon, and thank you, as always, for watching.